Sausage! Bloody hell! It's 30 miles an hour, you cock-a-chumpy sausage! Lovely indication, Mr. Mercedes driver. Bloody sausage.
I'm sure that.
Like, it'd be different when you got in the first time, yeah? How was it? That chemist, it's a nightmare.
Oh, but it wants to move. Move now, then just go around it. Go around it.
Just go around it. Oh, he's moving now.
Makeshift table. Now, origin, McDonald's, where the person at the outer table uses their lap to lay out their McDonald's meal before consuming, commonly constructed on the 10:08 AM to dine. A makeshift table from McDonald's. Served at 11 AM, subject to availability.
That's it. We need a bigger car.
Smart speaker, what's the best family SUV?
The Tucson has been named Auto Express Best Mid-Size SUV. Oh, they're nice. Loads of space.
Smart speaker, search offers on a Hyundai Tucson.
The new Tucson comes with 2 years 0% APR and it's a Hyundai, by the way. Discover the new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. It's the dawn of a new Hyundai. Excellent fixed March, 25% deposit finance.
Why the fuck are you overtaking me and then slowing down again, you complete bell-end sausage? Are you on the right tilt? Honest to God, like. The circus is in town, the circus is in town. Do. One-way street, sausage. Lovely indication. Sausage. Nice indication, your sausage. Is somebody overtaken now? Do you see what I mean? Sausage. Like pulling out, is there? What a sausage. Absolutely had no idea. Nice indication, your sausage. Get some lights on your bike. Sausage or us? Wait, 2 sausages there, not no more giveaway means on a roundabout. Sausages! What the hell's that car going? Sausage? Cut me up. Cut the bloody roundabout off, you sausage! Ah! What the hell are you doing? Taxi driver running a red light. Give me a bad name, you sausage. Yeah, thing, you sausage.